go. There you are.
Pickles and ham.
Happy birthday.
I want to see. Okay.
I just know your wish will come true.
My brother has the same thing, but he got Snoopy.
Ah.
Oh, did everybody got to
Hope
see
your
that?
day is sprinkled with pixie dust and sparkling with fun.
Wait, I want to see that. And then that again.
All right, but look at this. There's something else in there.
They are what?
It says, quick as a wink, on me put your drink. I rhyme with toaster. Now what is that?
Toaster, no
What
stir.
rhymes with
With toast.
It's you.
Quick as a
Quick
wink.
as a wink, on me put your drink. When you put your drink on, and it rhymes with toaster.
Roaster.
No, you don't put your drinks on
Close.
frosters. If you don't want to leave a ring on the table,
What
your
does
mom might
has to do?
your mom might say, put your drink on a
Cup holder.
close.
You're
It's not a cup holder.
It rhymes with
Toaster.
Coaster.
You better run to the coasters.
The coasters.
On the
Everyone,
coffee
run to the
table.
coasters.
On the coffee table.
Run. I loved it. And the treasure hunt.
It's a treasure hunt. Okay, this one says, everybody listen, because everybody has to help. Okay, this is a place where cakes go to cook. Open it up and take a look.
Ah, she knows where it is.
Okay, what's this one say? Okay, it says, this is where you dry your clothes until they're warm and soft.
Pick up.
Oh, take it out the door.
Paper on paper. No.
Now come out here, guys.
Yeah, so we
And
have,
then they get to read it.
bring it on here so follow the camera. We have room.
All right.
Okay, here is one place where mom doesn't mind if you get wet. I am not a pool. You ripped it? Okay, okay, okay. If you have a baby brother or sister, mom might carry this full of baby stuff when she takes the baby out and about. It's full of stuff. Remember, if you by your feet. Mom would take it out and about. Okay. Okay. You can look through this to see outside. Your present we there did hide. What, honey?
No.
You're not going outside. You're looking out the window.
Out the window.
Now this one.
Joss. Okay, guys, back up. Back up. Wait. Whoa. Wait. You have a note.
What does the note say?
It says you found them fast. It did not last. Now, time will take to eat some cake. It has training wheels.
It does?
Yes.
Yay!
It's behind the behind the helmet.
Good job.
Everybody!
Okay.
I think Jocelyn should trade seats with
Bailey.
Bailey.
Why?
Well, I think what we'll do is we'll scoot you guys apart real quick. So
Okay.
Jocelyn can stand right here. Jocelyn, you just stand right here. Bailey, you can still sit here, okay? You're just gonna stand right here, because this is where you're gonna blow out all the candles and stuff, okay? Okay, so let me light.
Whoa. There's 6.
Yeah, you're 6, aren't you? Don't blow them out yet. Okay. Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jocelyn. Happy birthday to you.
All right, make a wish. Blow them out.
Okay.
Let her make a wish.
Yay!
Okay, Jocelyn. It's out. It's out. Okay.
Okay, everyone look at the camera and say, Happy 6th birthday, Jocelyn!
Whoa. Let's try that again. No, everybody look at the camera.
And you can get your blower things, that's fine. Say, Happy 6th birthday, Jocelyn, then blow your thing. Here we go, go! Alright.
That's better.
September 19th, 2009.